What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and DoorDash, and it's January the 1st. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end, because I always do a breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. So always, because today is a holiday, normally Popeyes open at 11 a.m. but today they can open at 12. That's one of my favorite restaurants of making good money. So my shift's gonna start at 10:30, and then I'm gonna work until it gets slow, and then I'll call it quit. So let's see how much can we make today. Lots of people are home. Maybe they're hungover from party last night. They want their lunch in bed or breakfast. Hopefully we could get some good tips. Time is 10:29. Uber Eats, you're online. So DoorDash have a peak pay of $3 from 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. I think. So my first order is from Uber Eats, $4.17, 2.2 kilometers. After 25 minutes. Whoa, what a bad start. Okay, hopefully it picks up after 11:30. So I have this order from DoorDash, $18, 3.2 kilometers. I'll accept that. But I have to go deliver the order from 7-Eleven for Uber Eats first. So on my way there, and it's 1 minute away. So let's go do that really fast. $4.18. So I pick up that food from Smitty's. That's $82 worth of food. Okay, this customer is 5 minutes away, 3.2 kilometers. Yeah, have a happy new year. Yeah, enjoy. So that DoorDash order really brought up my wage, because my first 25 minutes I had 0 order with Uber Eats and DoorDash. Thumbs up, DoorDash. And right now I park at the McDonald's here. I could see like at least 10 skipped drivers went in and out. No order from Uber Eats from McDonald's. No order from DoorDash from McDonald's. Today I want the McDonald's orders, because the drive-thru is not many people, like 1 car or 2 cars, because everybody is at home. Now is the best time to pick up the McDonald's orders. I know, surprise, surprise, I said that. yeah, when you come to McDonald's, you have to look at the drive-thru. If it's busy, you're gonna be waiting a long time inside for your orders. It's McDonald's drive-thru, 1 car. This is DoorDash, 5.7 kilometers, $12. I'll accept that. That's the same restaurant, Smitty's. Totally everybody's going for breakfast. They all hangover. They're probably having breakfast now. Oh, Uber sent one out. No thank you, Uber. This is a McDonald's order. That's a no-brainer, right? I'll take the DoorDash one. Yeah, the Uber one was $5. 4 kilometers. This is a condo area, 1 level. Her condo number is 106. So I could see 105 and 107, and there's no 106. The 106 is opposite on the other side of the building. Like, why is 106 opposite? You have 105, 106 is missing, 107, 108, 109, 110. She should at least put a little direction there. It's on the opposite side of the building or something. Instruction. Hey guys, the time is 12:30. It's been 2 hours now. Right now I'm at $11.78 with Uber. The customer tipped me $7 and change because Uber was $4. Yeah, right now I'm at $30 with DoorDash. The first order was $18, the second one was $12. So I'm at $41 total with Uber Eats and DoorDash. And my shift end with DoorDash right now because I only had an hour and a half. The first shift was from 10:30 to 11:30, and then the second one was 12 to 12:30. So it was just 2 short shifts. So now I get stuck with Uber Eats only. I need $20 more. I was saying maybe $50, $60. Then I'll just call it quit. The time is 12:44. I've been waiting for half an hour. No order. It's slow. I'm just gonna end my shift. Just call it quit for the day. I didn't achieve my target. I'm pretty close, I think. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help grow the channel. And as I mentioned in a previous video about that giveaway at 100 subscriber, we're pretty close. Subscribe, share, and like this video so we could make more videos. And stay tuned for the summary. It's going to be a short one anyway. I had one delivery with Uber Eats, $11.78. Customer tip $7.60. Thank you very much. And for DoorDash, the first order was $18. Base pay was $6. Peak pay was $3 and customer tip $9. This was my first shift with DoorDash from 10:30 to 11:30. This order was $12. Base pay $6, peak pay $3, customer tip $3. And this was my second shift with DoorDash, just a half an hour shift. So the totals between Uber Eats and DoorDash was $41.78 minus $3 for gas because I didn't even drive far. All the drop off were really close. So when you minus that $3 for gas, you get $38.78 divided by 2 hours and 15 minutes. Equals $17.23 per hour. Not bad. Awesome. For New Year's Day, I expect would be more busy. I actually had 3 orders in 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's pretty bad. That's not great. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help grow the channel. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.